All right, so for this Rshiny this week, we want to take a couple steps back and go into not regression or not inference, but more so probability. So this little applet allows us to visualize the normal distribution. And what's nice about visualizing this normal distribution is that you are able to graphically see what happens if you change your standard deviation. So let's say we're focusing on the blue line. Okay, fine, that's fantastic. But we're going to learn a little bit more about how variability, the scale, and how the location, the mean, has an impact. So let's say we keep the mean group, standard deviation of group one the same, okay? Or keep it here, keep it as this. And we're going to change the standard deviation. We're going to double it. We're going to make it 0.8, okay? So when we make it 0.8, we should see a change in the red curve. Okay, the red curve should become, I guess, wider, right? So let's see. Let's see. Go ahead. As you can see, the red curve becomes wider, right? Because of the fact that we increased the amount of variability. Now let's say we made it smaller, so we decreased it by half. So let's see how that changes things. As you can see now, it becomes a little bit more narrower compared to the blue line, okay? All right, so let's go back to normal. Let's have it be 0.4, okay? That's great, same line. And let's change the location. Let's change the mean. So let's make this 4, right? So what should it do? What should happen to the red dashed line? Yes, you're right if you think that's going to move to your right. It should move to the right, okay? I can do the same thing in terms of logic. If I move this to 2.75, this should move to the left of the blue line, okay? So that's it. This app was a fun one when I was teaching Stat 251.